Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Avalanche value equivalent to $42.775 a coin. The present exchange cost range $49,679 $43,654. The earlier day close $49,690. The change was plus 114.85, plus 344%. Backwards rate US to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2024. US to Avax expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.21 coins. Exorbitant costs and 21, while lows on 17. The found the middle value of cost to 19. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.18's change for July 14.3%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.18 coins. Excessive cost 0.18, while lows on at 14. The arrived at the midpoint of costs and 16. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.15's change for August 16.7%. US to Avax expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.15 coins. Excessive costs 15, while lows are in 12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.14. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.13's change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs are 14, while lows on 12. The found the middle value of cost 0.13. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.13 change for October 0%. US to Avax expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.13 coins. Exorbitant costs are 13, while lows are at 12. The found the middle value of cost at 13. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.13 change for November 0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.13 coins. Excessive costs are 13, while lows are in 12. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 13. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.12 change for December 7%. US to Avax expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs in 13, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 12. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12 change for January 0%. Before all else, cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs on 13, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 12. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.12 change for February 0%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs are 13, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 12. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12 change for spring 0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs are 12, while lows are at 10. The found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.11 change for April 8.3%. US to Avax expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant costs are 12, while lows in 10. The found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.11 change for May 0%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant costs 11, while lows until 9. The found the middle value of cost 10. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 9 change for June 18.2%. US to Avax expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant costs are 10, while lows on 8. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.9 change for July 0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs and 12, while lows under 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 011, change for August 22 2%. US to Avax expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 011 coins. Excessive costs 11, while lows under 9. The found the middle value of cost 10. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 010, change for September 9 1%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for October 2025. Before all else cost at 010 coins. Excessive costs 11, while lows are 10. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 11. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 011, change for October 10%. US to Avax expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 011 coins. Excessive costs are 14, while lows on 11. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 12. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 013, change for November 18 2%. First and foremost cost at 013 coins. Exorbitant costs in 13, while lows are in 10. The found the middle value of cost 012. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 011, change for December 15 4%. US to Avax expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 011 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 14, while lows on 11. The found the middle value of cost 012. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 013, change for January 18 2%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 013 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 17, while lows are in 13. They found the middle value of cost of 15. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end Zen 15's change for February 15 4%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 015 coins. Excessive cost own 20, while lows own 15. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 17. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 018's change for spring 20%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for April 2026. In the first place cost at 018 coins. Exorbitant costs are 18, while lows are 16. They found the middle value of cost on 17. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 017, change for April 5 6%. US to Avax expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 017 coins. Exorbitant costs 17, while lows in 14. They found the middle value of cost on 16. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 015's change for May 11 8%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for June 2026. US to Avax expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at 017 coins. Excessive costs are in 21, while lows on 17. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 19.